Ayan, shout out everyone. Tinitignan ako ni... Ay? May tumatai dito. Tumatai pala si Max Max ko. Ako ay... Tumatai siya. Tumatai. Ayan, may kinagrab. Shout out. Hello to Deepak Saku. Hi, beautiful people in the world. From Andrew. Ayan, shout out Andrew. Please, guys, like my live. Kindly thumbs up. Give me like. Kindly like our live. Ayan, may kinagalap. Shout out everyone. Nightbot, I am subscribe your channel. No, don't subscribe Nightbot because my friend Nightbot is he will be the one to bring down your link. Any aspiring YouTuber that come on my live, Nightbot will be the one to bring down their link. And no need to bring down your link over here as long Nightbot can bring down, put on your YouTube channel link on my live chat. That is the obligation of Nightbot. Yes, Deepak Sao, mega love shout out. Andrew, mega love shout out. Ayan, please share our live. Lee Music, mega love shout out. I will give you blue badge. Wait, I will give you blue badge. Lee TV. Okay, bring down your channel. Where you from? Lee Music. TV Lee Music. Mega love shout out. Thank you so much for coming on my live. Ayan, please like our live, guys. Like our live. Your purple dress so beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, please give me more like and please share to your community as well. Share it my live. Click the share. Share our live. Ayan, mega love shout out everybody. Thank you so much. How are you today, guys? How are you today? Ayan, Lee Music. TV Lee Music shout out. Thank you so much for the BG mode. Ayan, BG mode. Ayan, mega love shout out. TV Lee Music. Mega love shout out. Thank you so much. Kuya Wills. Ayan, kumusta ka Kuya Wills? Ayan, hi Lee Music from Deepak Sahu. Ayan, Kuya Wills. Kumusta ka na idol? Puntahan kita Kuya Wills. Ayan, Kuya Wills, mega love shout out. Thumbs up ko si Yani, yes. Maraming salamat anong Kuya Wills, nakita ko na dito. Ayan, Kuya Wills, nandito ako sa bahay mo ha. Wait lang. Okay, puntahan kita sa bahay mo, Kuya Wills. Ayan, Kuya Wills, shout out. Ayan, may harang ka, Kuya Wills. Ayan, shout out everyone.